we are at the Zion Visitor Center having some breakfast. And we went to feel an awesome little joint here in town. And we're getting ready for Angel's Landing. Here we are on the shuttle getting ready for Angel's Landing. See all the other folks on the shuttle. Bright and early, yay! We are super excited. It's a little bit cold. We got our gloves on and we're ready to go. We are ready. We're at the grotto over here. We've got some amazing landscape behind us. It's just now daylight and we're getting started on the trail. Wish us luck. We're gonna do great. And away we go. Yes, and away we go. And we saw deers and wild turkeys already.
Deers and wild turkeys.
Yes, so it's great. It's already off to a good start this morning. Oh, looks cold.
We're gonna be in that tomorrow.
So exciting. What do you say, 42-degree water?
42 tomorrow.
The brisk wind blows. I'm not sure which way we're going, whether we're going this way or that way. I know. We're just going to stop and take a quick peek at this craziness. Look at this. This is absolutely crazy. Air does feel a little thin. It's a little chilly still. We're making it happen, but you can see the people winding their way up from below on the switchbacks.
Going up there.
Yeah. And there we go. We're going up there. Ready, set. We got to a little transition zone after some of the switchbacks. Making our way down this narrow little area. Rachel's being our Vanna White for the trip.
That's me silently cheering because there's owls and we need to be quiet.
Okay. It's really beautiful. Really cold too. And these cliffs are sheer on all sides. Pretty amazing. Look at that. Crazy. You can see it. That's where we're going, right over there, guys. Time to do it.
Here we come. We come this far to only come this far.
Oh dear. Hello.
Oh, hello, sunshine.
Gorgeous. All right. We are just about to start the chain section. All right, guys. Let's do this. Angel's Landing, strenuous climb, narrow route with cliff exposures, hazardous during thunderstorms, darkness, and ice and snow conditions. Thank goodness we've got none of those. All right, here we go. Let's do this. This is the no fall zone. Here we are beginning our ascent. It's a bit crowded this morning.
It's a good day to climb up the side of the mountain.
There you go. See that, guys? That is legit right there. And this is just the easy part.
4.5 miles. Not bad at all. I got it. Thank you. I don't want to take somebody down with me if I go down. I got it.
Can you squeeze past me here? Or?
Yes. Perfect.
Are you good? Am I small enough for you?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Thank you so
You're
much.
so good. You good around me?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Sorry, close and personal.
Sorry.
No, you're right. No worries. Just stay safe. Okay.
I have to know to off-road and not off-road.
Here we go. Alright. Stage 2. Holy cow, that's where we're going, right up there. Look at that. Oh, doggy. Backside. Gloves are an absolute mess. This is such a good idea. The gloves.
Yeah, this one looks really flat.
I mean, I guess they sand this for the ice, but it's like the sand feels a little sketch. Okay, here we go. Look at down there. And look at over here. Alrighty, here we go. Look at over there. And that's what you're not supposed to do is look down, but we're gonna look down because it's cool. Okay. This is the grab your rope part. Sorry, Mom, I know this is gonna scare the shit out of you when you watch this video. It is pretty amazing. Now look at that. Look at that. So cool. All right, it's a little breezy. Hold your horses. Oh yeah, this looks fun. No ropes. Let's get her on down.
Yeah, I was like falling down. Like I was like, slow.
Yeah.
Because the wind picked up.
Yeah, I know. I was like, ooh, okay, a little bit breezy. All right. Not where you want breeze. At the top of a mountain with a ledge on every side of you. Look at this. Amazing. Should have apologized before we started for all the sniffing I'm doing on video. It's breezy. Yeah, it's chilly. Breezy. Wind chill factor. Whew. Holy shit. Look at Rachel right there. Okay, our turn. Am I coming up?
You sure are.
Okay.
We're not getting in the way of anything that's purple.
Here I go.
Purple has priority.
Royalty.
Knows how to use this.
Sorry, I'm not.
That big? Yeah. Probably heavier in the back.
You'll have to watch the camera.
Yeah.
Beautiful up there, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. What about 2.7 miles? Oh, nice. Up there.
It's just the vertical 0.2 of a mile. Look at the bird, you can see him down there. Flying.
Oh, yeah. Those are condors?
That's what I'm guessing.
They're huge.
Yeah. They're flying like right there along that.
Where the rocks? They're like swooping around.
It has to be because it looks like they've got
As I get
the big ugly head.
you can hold on and look.
Yeah, it's like they have that turkey vulture head.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. All right, guys, we've come this far. Pretty amazing, absolutely amazing. And here we go, further. Right up here?
Yeah, that's the last.
Oh, nice.
All right, last stretch, guys. Or so they say. They say this is the last set of chains until the top. Woohoo! This is it. I just get to walk this fun spot in the wind. Look at this whole crew of brave kids. Woohoo! All right, guys.
Made it!
Made it! Woohoo! Your mom. All right. All right, Rachel, we made it to the top of Angel's Landing. Woohoo! It is pretty flippin' amazing, guys. Look at this. It is just gorgeousness everywhere. All Absolutely gorgeous.
Absolutely worth it.
Now, let's talk about it real quick. What did you feel like was the hardest part? Did you feel like this was as hard as you thought it was going to be?
Absolutely not. I think it looked a lot more difficult than it was. The biggest thing was you just take your time,
Right.
watch your footing. The gloves are a big help.
Yeah,
absolutely.
absolutely.
I would definitely recommend gloves, but it is not as scary as it looks. And I am terrified of heights.
Well, and I thought that the parts that I felt like were going to be sketch, where you're having to climb and there's like a cliff on the side, like you're so not even focused on that. You're just like, hold the chain, walk, hold the chain,
Left foot,
walk,
right
and
foot,
you're
left foot, right foot.
before you know it, you're like, oh, I made it up over here. Okay, oops, I made it to the next spot.
Yeah.
I made it to the next spot. So it didn't even feel like, oh.
No, it wasn't bad at all. Like,
So-
and it's so worth it. This is
Yeah, this view is amazing.
Absolutely
and
worth it.
Squeezing past folks, it wasn't actually too bad. I had a couple times where they had to squeeze around me, but I think, I think once it gets a little bit busier,
Absolutely.
it's going to be a little bit more tricky, maybe going down, but we shall see. We shall see.
It's getting a little busier up here, so.
But we have more adventures to go find this afternoon, so we're going to have a little snacky poo and make our way down and go find something else to get into before sunset.
Some more adventure!
Woohoo! I think we should too. Go ahead, kiddo. You did it, buddy. If we can curl around you. Making our fast way down. Alrighty folks, welcome back. We've made it down from Angel's Landing, nice, safe and sound. We survived.
And it was amazing.
Yes, it was amazing. And if you'll notice, we started with beanies and jackets and full gear of gloves and everything. That
All the things.
All the things.
All the coats.
And now we're in tank tops and we are hot and wish we had our capri leggings on because it's nice and warm now. And like they said, it might be up into the
70s.
Yeah, 70s today. So, I mean, we
Hoping
start
for the warm weather.
we start around 37 and now we're up at 70 maybe. So anyways, we're gonna go off and check out Emerald Pools now, so stay tuned.